Notify your monitoring company and put your account into test. Make sure to have your account number ready or name and address. Parts and tools you will need: one CR123 3-volt lithium battery, one miniature flat blade screwdriver. Be careful not to press in the test hush button. Using a small flathead screwdriver, push down on the small plastic latch found on the side of the detector. Take down your detector by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the old batteries from the battery compartment and properly dispose of them. Insert the new batteries, making sure polarity is correct, plus to plus, minus to minus. Don't be alarmed if you accidentally set off your detector. Go to your keypad, enter your alarm code to silence your sirens. Go into your menu through the keypad and do a sensor reset. Put the carbon monoxide detector back up, turning it clockwise.